Hello, my name is Misty Ellis, and this is my game that I have created for my kindergartners. It is a math lesson. It is more and less. If you come closer and look in the middle of the game, we have a QR code. All of my kindergartners have their own iPad to use in their in the school, in their classroom. So they would be able to scan this with their iPad. Okay, it takes them to a Scratch website where there is a dice. They will then make it bigger. All right, so the object of this game is when they roll the dice, then they draw a card. So I'm going to roll the dice. Right now we're learning numbers 1 through 5 in kindergarten. So we are doing one more and one less than kindergarten. So I will hit and it will roll the dice. I have 5. Then I draw a card. And it says one more. So then the student, working with their partners, would say one more than 5 is 6. And then they are able to move that many spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the object of the game is to go all the way around. And the first student that makes it here wins the game. So then the next student will then touch the dice, and they have 4. They will then draw a card. One more than 4 is 5. So they will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next student rolls a 4, draws a card. One less. One less than 4. Let's say they didn't pay attention and they said 5 and the other student catches it. That student loses the turn and it goes on to the next person. But if the student says 1 less than 4 is 3, that student then moves 3 spaces. So the object of the game is to go all the way around the board using one more and one less. A feature of this board is that the QR code in the middle is removable. So as they get up higher with their numbers, or then we move to 2 more or 2 less, I would get a different dice since this is only 1 through 6. And eventually kindergartners will work 1 through 20. And I will do a random number generator with specific numbers. With Scratch, it's coding. You get to code a program, and then using a QR code generator, I made this QR code for that program because it has a link I can share. So I can increase the level, use the same board, print new cards, and then just insert the new QR code in the game as they learn their skills. That's my game that I've created to embed technology and the use of Scratch.